Children, in previous class we were studying lesson number 8, money. Okay, in today's class we are going to learn lesson number 9, length. After studying this lesson we can understand difference between near and far, thin and thick, tall and short, and high and low. Okay. See, open your math textbook, page number 173. See this picture. Here, one tree is there, one house is there, one girl is there, one boy is there. Okay. First, we'll read these questions. Who is the near the house? Who is near the house? Who is near the house? This boy is the near the house? No. The girl is near the house. The girl is near the house. The boy is near the tree. This is tree now. Okay, next question. Who is far from the house? Who is far from the house? Who is far from the house? The boy is far from the house. The boy far from the house. Who is far from the tree? The girl is far from the tree. The girl is near the house. The boy is far from the house. Next question. Who is near the tree? Who is near the tree? The boy is the near the tree. The boy is near the tree. The boy is near the tree. Who is far from the tree? The girl is far from the tree. The girl is far from the tree. You are getting the children? See next, which is near and which is far. Look at the picture and put right mark to the animal which is near the tree. See here. Here one fox is there and one rabbit is there. Okay. We have to right mark the animal which is near the tree. Where is the tree? Here the tree. Is this fox is near the tree? No. This is far from the tree. This is far from the tree. Is this rabbit is the near from the tree? Yes. So we'll write here. Okay. See next. Look at the picture and circle the one who is sitting far from the blackboard. See where is your blackboard? This is the blackboard. This is the girl. This is the boy. Look at the picture and circle one who is sitting far from the blackboard. Who is sitting far from the blackboard. Far. This is far. This is near. This is near. This is far. So who is sitting far from the blackboard? Yes, this boy is sitting far from the blackboard. This boy. Okay. Okay. Look at the picture and answer. See this here. Two girls are there. Here and boundary line is there. Here house is there. We will read these questions. Which girl is near the finishing line? This is finishing line. Okay. This is finishing line. She is Anaga. She is Sita. Her name is Sita. Her name is Anaga. This is finishing line. Okay. Which girl is near the finishing line? Which girl? Anaga is near. Is this Anaga is the near the finishing line or Sita? This is near. This is far. This is near. This is far. So Anaga is near the finishing line. Anaga. Here we have to write Anaga. Anaga is near the finishing line. Which girl is far from the finishing line? Which girl is far from the finishing line? This girl. What is her name? Sita. So we'll write here Sita. Okay. You understood, children? See here next. Think and thick. Thin and thick. Thin means thin and thick. Look at the pair of picture and identify which is the thin and which is thick. See, this is will call thin. So this will call thin. This will call thick. Thin, thick. Okay. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ thin ಅಂದರೆ ತೆಳ್ಳಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಇರುವುದು. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುವುದು, ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಇದು ತೆಳ್ಳಗಿರುವುದು, ಇದು ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಸರಿ. See here, this bat is thick, this is thin. Here we have to identify which is the thin and which is the thick. So leaf is this thin or thick? This is thin. This leaf is thin. Here we have to write thin. Is this book is thin or thick? Yes, this is thick. Here we'll write thick. Is this thin or thick? It's a thick. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ದಪ್ಪ. So I will write here thick. This chilli is very thin. ಇದು ತೆಳ್ಳಗಿರುವುದು, ಸಣ್ಣಗಿರುವುದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು thin. Is this thin or thick? Yes, this is thick. Is this thin or thick? Yes, this is thin. Okay, mark the arrow mark thin one. This is, I'll give you this for homework. This page number 177. Try to do this. Okay, thank you children.